everybody, this is Chris. Thank you for joining me. So today we're going to be making some table decorations on the theme of Easter. So it's very easy to do. Here I've got two fabric towels, hand towels, and here it's a paper one. So you can do this with whatever you have. It works with both. And it's very simple to do. These two are very simple. This one as well. You'll see there's a little bit of folding, but it's really not difficult, and I think it looks great. I don't have Easter eggs yet, so that's the only candies I had on hand, so that's what I put in here. Of course, you can use whatever you have. So I think it's really cute, and it's a nice idea to decorate your house. Whether you do celebrate Easter or not, it's just a fun way to put a little bit of color in your house in those difficult times. So let's get started. We're going to start by making this one. So for this first tutorial, what you will need is an egg. So here it's just a styrofoam egg. You could use a real egg, or you could use also a chocolate egg. I would consider, if you could, maybe buy a bigger one if you can, a bigger egg compared to my napkin, but this one will work. That's the only thing I have home right now. And because I can't really go outside so much, I'm going to do with what I have. And you will also need a ribbon, a piece of ribbon. Okay, so this one is really simple. What you're going to do is take one corner and go to the other corner. Join there. And this is when you realize that your napkin is not completely square, because otherwise everything should be completely aligned and perfectly aligned. But it doesn't matter. It's going to work as well. Then you're going to take this end here and you're going to start folding. Well, not folding, more like rolling. All right. Then you're going to take your egg, put it in the center, put these two flaps, try to make them kind of even over there, and then you're going to take your ribbon, and I don't know why, but I'm much better at making my ribbons upside down, so I'm going to turn it around. It works perfectly every time. If I do it the other way, it doesn't work. I don't know why. And there you go. I'm going to make it a little smaller so I can pull. There you go. I'm going to cut this piece here. And then you have it. A nice little egg. Maybe this side is better. I don't know. Oh, this side, I think this side is not bad at all. And then you could even put one side here if it wants to stay in place. And I think put this one in your plate as a presentation. And if it's a real chocolate egg, that would be nice, because people will have something to eat maybe in the afternoon or something like that. I'd love to have a chocolate one here. So that's the first one. Super easy. Let's go to the second one. So this was a fabric towel, but you could do the same with a paper towel. All right, so this time I have a green towel. So we're going to do things a little different. You're going to fold it in half, and you're going to fold it in half again. At this point, you're going to join the center of your napkin and do the same thing I'm doing right now. Same thing on the other side. And we're going to try to be even there. Once you're there, you take this corner, bring it there, parallel to this fold. Same thing on the other side. And then you're going to take that corner and bring it around here and still being parallel. And there you go. Now you're going to flip it over, so you can start seeing the little ears. You're going to take your ribbon, and I'm going to take a yellow one. I'm going to put it there, and you're going to fold this flap over, and you're going to be parallel this time to this line. Flip it over on the side, and here you're going to open this side, bring that one upwards, and there's a little flap here. You're going to open it and put this one into there. So it's going to stay in place. And the ribbon here is going to maintain the whole thing in place, otherwise it could unravel on you. So again, I'm going to make a bow. All right, turn it over. You're going to put your finger in here to kind of make it round so it can stand up easily. And at the same time, you're going to start fluffing out the bunny ears. Like so. You've got the little ribbon on the back. And then what you can leave it as is, or what I like to do is open it a little bit. So here you can leave it like this. You could add a little bow in the hair or in the, on the ears, or you could put some whiskers and maybe googly eyes, but it's supposed to be a napkin, so I wouldn't do too much more, and then play with it a little bit to make it stand up. It's supposed to stand up on your plate or on the table. I'm just going to put it this way to show you here because it's better. I have got an overhead camera. And there you go. Very simple, really cute with the bow on the back. So even the people around the table will see that it's really nice from the back. And I think it was very, very easy to do. So now the third one, we're gonna make the flower. I've noticed that for me, the flower works much better with a paper napkin, but do with what you have. Okay, that's my last yellow one. I'm sorry, I just wanted to change colors, so I'm gonna use it again. So you start from here, and we're gonna fold all the angles towards the center of our napkin here. And we're gonna do this 3 times. Try to make, if you can, some pointy angles, if it's possible. We're gonna do this a second time. And a third time. Okay, it's been 3 times now. I'm going to turn it over. And we're going to do the same thing again, just one more time. And again, if you can stay pointy here, the better it is, I think. At the end, you'll see that. And now comes the more, let's say, tricky part. So let me come and zoom in a little bit. Okay, for this one, you will not need any bow, but you will need a glass, just a regular glass. Put it upside down. We're gonna use this. You're gonna flip this one over towards the center, hold it in one hand, and then start opening all these flaps here. So if you're using a paper napkin like me, go slowly because you can rip it apart really fast. Take your time. And if you don't make it the first time, you can do it all over again if you want to. It was done in no time. Okay, now that you're at this point, we're gonna open the other flaps that goes in the middle of the 2. As you can see, I'm still holding it in place with my other hand. And the last one's here. All right, now we're gonna take the glass away, turn it over, and here you go with your flower. And now you're gonna be able to work with it a little bit, play with it to put it in shape. I like to put this back upwards. This as well. You see, when it's pointy, it looks like a little better than when it's rounded, but I don't really mind. It's paper flower, you know. Okay, and it's very dimensional, so I think it's kind of cute. And now what you can do is put your candies or chocolate eggs in the center. You could maybe put some veggies also. And it's nice. You're going to be able to celebrate Easter, or just if you do not celebrate Easter, still have some candies and have a nice deco at your house. So I think this is really easy. That's the trickiest one, but it's still very easy to do. And I'm going to show you that bunny again. and this one too. So I love the colors as well because they're very summery, very adapted for Easter, and I think anybody can do that. You're going to spend a little time if you're doing just by yourself or with your family or with your kids. I think it's going to be a great idea and a great moment altogether. So if you did like this video, please give me some thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified every time I post a new video, and also share on social medias. And don't forget to leave me comments, or if you have any video suggestions, I would love to hear about it. Thank you so much. Please take care and see you soon. Bye bye.